realistic to be beginner art? It may look difficult, but believe me, it's not. All you need is a semi-pro set of oil pastels, and you're already halfway there. Watch the video, and you'll see just how easy and fun it is. I'm Moni, and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin! For the tiny blue flowers, pick two colors, medium blue and light blue. Start with tiny spiral movements. The spirals should be messy and unplanned. That's what gives them a natural look. Then blend them gently. Now take medium green for the leaves and stems. In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to draw a flower jar that looks professional. And you'll also discover a seriously mind-blowing technique for creating white highlights. Blend the leaves using a tissue. Use spiral strokes again for the wildflowers. If you're not confident about sketching, don't worry. There's a video linked here that shows you how to easily transfer the image onto your paper. Now I'm working on the leaves again, adding more shadows to make them look more realistic. This area is the shadow of the upper leaf. Notice that I don't blend the different shades of blue together. I want each shade to stand out on its own, so I only blend each color separately. Now comes the most challenging part, drawing the jar. I'm using different tones of gray, along with some of the same colors from the flowers above to create reflections in the glass. My paper is a gray Fabriano canvas, but because of the lighting while filming, it doesn't appear gray on screen. Use pale orange and pale pink to color the background. Then for the shadow, use dark gray, dark blue, and dark violet. Blend the shadow while using a tissue. Now it's time for final touches on the wildflowers. Just a few here and there. I'm adding contrast with some dark blue to make them pop. And finally, here comes our amazing white touch technique. Use a candle to gently melt the tip of the white pastel stick. Don't overheat it. Less than a second is more than enough. I honestly feel like a pro after this one. It turned out so well. I can hardly believe it's my own artwork. Now apply sharp white touches to highlight the glass and add a beautiful light reflection. And that's it. I really encourage you to try it. It's surprisingly simple and totally worth it. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend. It really helps more people discover this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative, and colorful art tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.